start, guys. So, good morning, everyone.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you today?
We are fine, thank you. And you?
I feel good, thank you. Sit down, please. Okay, guys. Before we start our lesson, so I'm going to check your home task, yes? So here, as you see, you have papers, yes? Clickers. So right now, I'm going to check your home task with the program Clickers. Please be ready. So, okay guys, here your task is, you should read this text, yes, and answer the question with the help of this QR code, okay? So here, this one, let's check your answers. Good job. So here, thank you. And the last one, here's the second question. Let's answer this one. Okay, your answers. So guys, show me your answers. Next. So students, before we start our new theme, I'm going to divide you into 3 groups, okay? So here with this program class tools. So here, let's go. Okay, so here the first one, first group sits here. So here sits the memory, logics, and the group cognition, okay? Please divide into 3 groups. So students, I'm going to present you this sheet of paper assessment. Here in the first part, you should write the new words. The second part, you should write the most important things you have learned from this lesson. And here you should write what you want to learn in the future, and here your feeling in this lesson. And I'm going to assess your task with these vitamins, okay? So here, take it. So let's guess our new theme, and here with the help of jigsaw puzzle, you need to puzzle the text, yes, and guess our new theme, okay? Go here, use this one. You should use this paper. Come here, guys. Do it quickly, we have a little time. Okay, that's nice. Let's guess our new theme. What about our new topic?
Human brain.
Human brain, right, you are. And what is a human brain, students? Yes, Sultan.
Human brain, it's just organ.
Yes, right.
I think human brain more difficult than universe.
Yeah. Thank you. Okay, next one who wants? Come on.
The brain is the most amazing and the mysterious human organ.
Human organ, right? What should we do?
The brain is the most complex part of the human body.
Human body, that's right. Thank you so much. And the next, go further, guys. And right now we are going to play one game. You should say the color, not the word, okay? Okay. So look at the screen. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Yellow.
Yellow.
Green.
Red.
Red.
Blue.
Yellow. Yes.
Black.
Orange. Blue. Okay, guys. Was it difficult for you?
No.
So look at the blackboard. Here we have a video. So here, as you see, it's our organ, brain, yes? And here we have 4 parts of brain. So look at the blackboard. So here, your task was to read the color, yeah, not the word. So as you see, we have the left-right conflict of the brain. We call it the left and right. We should know deeply about our brain, yes? And please download the program Merge Object Viewer. And here I will give you this dice and all cube, and you need to scan it, okay? And we'll talk about it. This one for you. Download the program Merge Object Viewer. Okay, students, as you know, our brain is divided into 2 parts, yes? And each part has 4 lobes. Let's read about this one.
Temporal lobe. The temporal lobes are responsible for processing sound, information, and language.
Yes, right, you are.
Frontal lobe.
The frontal lobes are responsible for conscious thought and planning behavior.
Yes, good job. So right now we are going to get acquainted with new words, guys. So here, look at the picture and guess the word. How do you say? What is it? What is it? Well, say yes. Students, right now you have known all words which connected our brain, yes? And let's check your knowledge. Here, I just sent you a link of this game. We are going to play a game with Quiz Wizard. Okay, let's start. Answer the questions. Correct. Right, you are, Ramazan. Well done. Ramazan is here. Ramazan here. The results are out, and right now the third winner, our Rahmet Al-Arjan. In the second place, Nurhaz Arjan, and our winner, Ramazan. Okay, you're so smart, guys. So the next task, you should watch this video, okay?
The body controls other organs. It regulates pleasure and pain, hunger and thirst, blood pressure and body temperature. It also plays a huge part in determining your personal identity through thoughts, memories, and
And gets us ready to fight or run away. The brain also allows us to enjoy music in lots of ways. When we listen to a piece of music, we can identify the different instruments and the music.
You have watched the video, guys. Was it clear? Yes. So here's it's a method class time. You should work in pair. Go to this class time com and complete the sentence. Okay? And right now I'm going to assess your work. So here, as I said before, I will give you vitamins. Yes, for your hard work. You should lose this with this one. This one for you. For you. Should complete the sentence, guys. Good. Well done. Okay. You can check your answers here, guys. Here. For example, Aruzhan and Camila and Yeshtan from here. And the students, how do you say what we need to our brain? Vitamins. Yes, Salah? Vitamins, yes, right one. Your last task, you should make an advertisement for vitamins which are helpful, important for our brain. And then you should work with PowerPoint. Is it clear? Yes. Okay. So here is the instruction for your vitamin. You should defend it, okay? So here, your task, you should instructions. And to work together. It's a work group, okay?
With Cognivium, the best vitamin ever because it helps our brain.
And to improve cerebral circulation and concentration.
Vitamin helps support attention, learning, memory, and other cognitive function.
And thanks to memory complete, our brain, our memory
Yes.
can be defined as the ability of brain to retain and retrieve information.
Okay, thank you guys. Well done. Next. Okay, Gerala, how many vitamins do you have?
7.
7. Okay, let's check. 7. Unfortunately, our lesson is over, guys, and let's get a feedback from you. Okay? So now, please scan this QR and then make your feedback. It's a program answer button. Can you do it? You should write which part of the lesson did you like the most. Okay? Which part? Explaining, advertisement task, vocabulary, creative presentation. Okay, that's a good one. Thank you so much, guys. You all have. So guys, it's over our lesson. So thank you so much for your active participation. I really appreciate it. Goodbye, students.
Goodbye, teacher.